Hello, and thank you for joining me today to learn more about RadReview. This video will explore quizzes, assignments, and the mock exam in the student login in RadReview. On the home page, click on Sign In. On the Sign In page, enter your email address and password to log in. Using the left side navigation, go to Start Practice. Within the practice quizzes, you have the choice to take a randomly selected 10-question quiz or to create a quiz. To start the random quiz, click on Start Random Quiz in the blue box. If you would like to create your own quiz, click on Create Your Own Quiz. First, choose your quiz mode. Practice mode reveals the correct answer with an explanation after each question is answered. Test mode withholds all answers and explanations until the quiz is finished. Simulation mode is a timed test with a test-like interface that withholds answers and explanations until the quiz is finished. I am going to select practice mode. Next, choose your question type. You can choose unanswered questions, all questions, incorrect, questions that you marked for review, or questions that you skipped. Please note that the number of available questions will vary depending upon what you choose. For example, the number of unanswered questions is much lower than the number of all questions. Next, check a box to select your difficulty level. All difficulties are currently selected. If I uncheck all, I can select only easy questions, or easy and medium, or medium and hard. You can pick whichever difficulty level you prefer. I'm going to select all. You can use the keyword search to choose question keywords. If you are unsure what this means, click on the question mark for an explanation. If you would like to specify learning objectives, the content category, check Select Learning Objectives. You may have noticed that my number of available questions went down to 0. No need to worry. I just need to select my learning objectives. You can also enter the number of questions that you want in your quiz. For this demonstration, I will select 3 questions. Underneath the number of questions, you can see the recommended amount of time to complete the questions. Click on Start Quiz to begin. You do have the ability to mark questions for review as you move through the quiz. Because I am in practice mode, I am able to see the correct answer immediately after I select my answer. I can also view an explanation and peer comparison within the quiz. Click on Finish to submit the quiz. Results will be given at the end of the quiz. You will see your quiz performance as well as recommended reading based upon your results. These readings come from the Learning Center, which is also available on the left-hand navigation. You can click on Dashboard on the left navigation or on the RadReview logo to get back to your dashboard. Next, we will look at assignments. You can get to your assignments from the dashboard by clicking on Assignments, or from the left side navigation by clicking on Assignments. The assignment status page shows the total number of assignments. You can click on Done to filter to the assignments that you have completed and view your grades. You can also click on In Progress to see assignments that are in progress, or click on Not Started to see assignments that you have not yet started. To take an assignment, click on Start Test. You will see the amount of time that you have spent on the questions. You can hide the timer. After you've selected an answer, click on Submit Answer. After you've answered all of the questions, click on Finish Assignment to view your results. Click on Continue to go back to the assignment status page. You can also see your results from the assignment status page by clicking on See Results. In addition to the questions that you answer under Start Practice and the questions that are assigned by your instructors under Assignments, there is a student mock exam available for students to take at any time from their account. You can get to the mock exam from the left side navigation by clicking on Full Length Test. The RadReview Student Mock Test contains 200 questions and matches the official exam specifications in terms of number of questions per category. You should plan to spend up to 3 hours and 10 minutes taking this practice test. You can pause the test at any time and resume it later by clicking Save and Exit at the bottom right of the test screen. Answers and explanations will be withheld until you have completed the entire test. Please note, the RadReview mock test can only be taken once. Please plan accordingly, as you will not be able to retake the test. If you have any questions, please contact User Services at userservices@mheducation.com. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.